Have you ever felt like you're standing on the sidelines, watching a new kind of gold rush happen right before your eyes? This isn't a rush for a shiny metal buried in the ground. This is the digital gold rush, and the treasure isn't dug up, it's created. We're talking about digital products, the powerful, scalable assets that are quietly building a new generation of millionaires. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this is possible. We'll explore what these products are, look at real blueprints for success, and I'll give you a concrete, step-by-step launchpad to start your own journey. This isn't just about making money, it's about building a life of freedom and impact. So if you've ever had an idea, a skill, or a passion you wanted to share with the world, stick around. This is your guide to turning that idea into a digital empire. First, let's dive into the digital product universe. What are we actually talking about? It's broader and more accessible than you might think. Let's start with the classic ebooks and guides. If you have knowledge about anything from vegan baking to Python coding to personal finance, you can package it into a PDF. The beauty? You write it once and it can be sold thousands, even millions of times, with zero additional production cost. Next up, online courses. This is ebooks on steroids. You can use video, worksheets, and community forums to teach a skill. People will pay a premium for a structured learning experience that delivers a real transformation, whether it's learning to play the guitar or mastering digital marketing. Then we have software and apps. This sounds intimidating, but it doesn't have to be a complex social network. Think simple, useful tools. A budget tracking spreadsheet template, a custom Lightroom preset for photographers, or a simple productivity app. If it saves someone time or solves a problem, it has value. Don't forget stock media. Are you a photographer, videographer, or musician? Your work can become a source of passive income. Companies and creators are constantly buying licenses for photos, video clips, and background music. Each download adds up. Finally, there's the exciting world of digital art and NFTs. This is where creativity meets cutting-edge technology, allowing artists to sell unique, verifiable digital creations directly to collectors around the world. From a simple guide to a piece of code, each of these is a key that can unlock immense financial potential. Now, let's make this real. These aren't just abstract ideas. People are living this reality. Let me introduce you to Sarah. Sarah was a talented but overworked freelance graphic designer. She loved typography and spent her evenings crafting unique font styles. One day, she had a thought. What if other designers would find these useful? She bundled her top 10 fonts into a modern minimalist font package, priced it at $49, and posted it on a creative marketplace. The first month, she made a few $100s. But then a popular design blog featured her package. The sales exploded. Sarah used the profits to create more packages, vintage fonts, script fonts, futuristic fonts. Within 2 years, her small side project had generated over $1 million in revenue. She never had to create another physical product. Her creativity became a scalable asset. Then there's David. David wasn't a master coder, but he was obsessed with productivity. He was frustrated with complex to-do list apps and wanted something incredibly simple, an app that showed him only one single, most important task for the day. Using simple development tools and online tutorials, he built one task, a clean, minimalist mobile app. He launched it on the App Store for a one-time purchase of $1.99. It didn't make headlines overnight, but David focused on a small community of productivity enthusiasts on Reddit. They loved it. Word of mouth started to spread. People were tired of complicated systems. They wanted simplicity. As thousands of users turned into tens of thousands, and then hundreds of thousands, that small price tag compounded into a life-changing fortune. David's story proves you don't need to build the next Facebook. You just need to solve one small, annoying problem better than anyone else. Feeling inspired? Good, because now it's your turn. I'm going to give you a 7-step launchpad to get you from idea to income. Step 1. Find your niche and idea. Don't try to appeal to everyone. Think about the intersection of three things: what you're passionate about, what you're skilled at, and what people are willing to pay for. Your niche could be as specific as keto meal prep for busy moms. Step 2. Validate your idea. This is crucial. Before you build anything, find out if people actually want it. Talk to your target audience, run a poll on social media. Create a simple landing page that says coming soon and see if people sign up. Don't waste months on an idea no one will buy. Step 3. Create your product. This is the work part. Focus on quality and delivering massive value. Whether it's an ebook, a course, or a template, make it the best possible resource for your customer. Step 4. Build your platform. You need a home base online. This could be a simple website, a YouTube channel, or an Instagram profile. This is where you'll build your audience and establish trust. You need to own your traffic. Step 5. Set up your sales funnel. This is just the journey your customer takes from discovering you to buying your product. It could be as simple as a social media post that leads to a sales page. You'll need a way to process payments, like Stripe or Gumroad, and a way to deliver the product automatically. Step 6. Launch and market. It's time to make some noise. Tell everyone about your product. Use email marketing, social media content, and maybe even run some targeted ads. Your launch sets the momentum for everything that follows. Finally, step 7. Scale and automate. As the sales come in, look for ways to grow. Gather testimonials, create new products, use software to automate the delivery and customer service processes so you can focus on the big picture. This is your roadmap. Don't just listen to it. Write it down and take action. Building a digital empire isn't just about following steps. It's about cultivating a specific mindset. It's the engine that will power you through the challenges. First and foremost is resilience. You will face setbacks. Your first launch might flop. You'll get negative feedback. The millionaire mindset sees these not as failures, but as data. It's information you can use to improve. You don't quit, you pivot. Second is a commitment to continuous learning. The digital world changes at lightning speed. The marketing tactic that worked yesterday might be obsolete tomorrow. You have to stay curious. Read books, take courses, listen to podcasts, and learn from others in your field. Your growth is directly tied to your business's growth. Third, an obsessive customer focus. Stop thinking about what you want to sell and start thinking about what problem you can solve. Your success is a direct reflection of the value you provide to your customers. Listen to their feedback, answer their questions, and build a community around your brand. They are your greatest marketing asset. And finally, you have to embrace failure. Seriously, every successful entrepreneur has a list of failures a mile long. Failure is not the opposite of success, it's part of it. It's a tuition payment for your business education. So be willing to experiment, be willing to be wrong, and be willing to get back up, stronger and smarter than before. We've covered a lot. We've seen that the digital gold rush is real and accessible. We've explored the universe of digital products, from ebooks to apps. We've seen through stories like Sarah S. and David S. that success comes from solving problems and sharing your unique skills. We've laid out a clear 7-step launchpad for you to begin your journey, and we've talked about the resilient, customer-focused mindset you need to succeed. The opportunity is not in some distant future, it's right here, right now. The tools are cheaper and more accessible than ever before. You have knowledge, a skill, or a passion inside you that someone else is waiting to discover. You have the potential to build not just an income stream, but a legacy. The only thing separating you from that reality is the decision to start. So I have a question for you. What digital product idea is burning inside you? Don't be shy, share it in the comments below. Speaking your idea out loud is the first step to making it real. And if you're ready to get serious about this journey, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell because we're going to be sharing so many more guides to help you build your digital empire. Thank you for watching. Now let's go build the future together.